We live in the most advanced world in the history of mankind. Technology brings us great gifts that enrich our daily lives. Almost every day we discover a new product, and some of them will become the best smart home gadgets of the year. So let's look at those new devices that are coming to change our lives for good. Number 5. Roborock Q5 Plus Robot Vacuum with Self-Empty Dock. Making life even simpler, the Roborock Q5 Plus packs flagship features that won't break the bank. First of all, this robot vacuum can tackle hard floors and carpets with ease, but we love how well it navigates around, including tricky furniture that can trip up other bots. It's one of the robot vacuums that we can confidently say can be left unattended while you're home. Saving us even more time, the Roborock Q5 Plus comes with a self-empty charging bin where the bot will empty the contents of its dustbin after each clean. This spares us the time of doing it ourselves, since the self-empty base can hold up to 7 weeks to clean before it needs to be emptied. Number 4. Dock Pro Sleep System. At night, our body lowers our core temperature, which signals to our brain that it's time for sleep. At least that's what's supposed to happen. Unfortunately, pretty much everything about modern life has the unintended consequence of wreaking havoc on our circadian rhythms. The Dock Pro Sleep System takes over where nature falls short, lowering your body's core temperature with a cooling mat. For people who run hot or who have partners that want to keep the bed toasty warm, this smart device can be a godsend. In our testing, we found that it could help even the lightest, most stubborn sleepers get a good night's sleep. With the Sleepme app, you can program schedules from your phone and adjust the temperature to your liking. It's definitely an expensive solution, but it brings us one step closer to the holy grail of sleep products, a pillow that you never need to flip over because it's always cool on both sides. Number 3. Twinkly Flex Flexible Light Tube with RGB. Compared to other smart lights, the Twinkly Flex is a rope light that you can manipulate and flex to create unique designs for your walls. Really, it's like a customizable neon sign because of its blinding brightness and vibrant glow. We found it easy to install and set up, so you can start designing right away. Through the Twinkly app, you'll be able to select an assortment of color effects, or even better, create a custom one with the help of your smartphone's camera. Number 2. Samsung The Frame TV. For the design conscious, there's no other TV, period. The frame perfectly fits into any space, and thanks to the One Connect box and cable that hides out of sight, you can even connect all the gaming devices, cable boxes, and dongles you want, and no one will ever see them. Enjoy hundreds of beautiful artwork in absolutely every style and for every taste. Then, anytime you want to put on a movie or the ball game, just fire up your ultra-high-definition 4K Smart TV. An array of handsome snap-on magnetic frames for the outer edge make it appear as if a work of art is hanging on your wall. And that's exactly what it is. The 2022 model of the frame is easily one of the best smart home products of 2022, and it's changing the way we think about TVs and home decor. Number 1. Airthings View Plus. The air inside your home might not be as clean as you think it is, but the Airthings View Plus will at least let you know if you're breathing in something you shouldn't be. The air monitor displays your current air quality and shows the amount of radon, 2.5 millimeters particulate matter, CO2, humidity, temperature, air pressure, and even volatile organic compounds in your air. It's a lot of information available to you with just a wave of your hand. With a battery life up to 2 years and app integration that lets you check the air quality from anywhere, the Airthings View Plus lets you know if it's time to turn on an air purifier or open a window to let some fresh air in.